Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is the pleasure to meet you all. First of all, I would like to say thank you to my lecturer, Mr. Pikir Wisnuwijanto, to give me the chance to show this presentation. All right, the topic that we have today is web-based application for monitoring and contract labor assessment in case study BNNP Jawa. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Akbar Frasanta. I'm a student from Telkom University Bandung, and I'm majoring Diploma Information System. All right, first thing first, we have highlights. We have 6 highlights here. The first one is abstract. The second one is what is BNNP. The third one is purpose of application. The fourth one is working method. The fifth is interface or mockup. And the last one, of course, conclusion. Right. First topic we have is abstract. Of course, the web-based application for monitoring and contract labor assessment is a web-based application used in the BNN in West Java province to assist in monitoring performance activities and conducting performance appraisal to contract employees or TKK. This application can help TKK employees in imputing their activities and obtaining information on performance assessments indicated and as a means of reporting. Right, moving on to the next topic, we have what is BNNP. In Bahasa, Badan Narkotika Nasional or BNN, or in English we say National Narcotics Agency, is an institution that has the task of carrying out government tasks in the field of prevention, eradication of the abuse and illicit trafficking of narcotics, psychotropic substances, precursors, and other addictive substances, except for tobacco and alcohol. Next, we have in Bahasa Badan Narkotika Nasional Provinsi or BNNP, or in English, we say the Provincial National Narcotics Agency. The Provincial National Narcotics Agency, or BNNP, is the provincial representative of BNN. So basically, BNNP is same as like BNN, but the BNNP is the provincial representative of the BNN. All right, next topic we have purpose of the application. There are 4 purposes of application. The first one is the features for the TKK employees is they can impute their performance activities and view the result of their performance activities, of course. Second one, we have features for the head of subdivision. The features for the head of the subdivision is they can monitoring of TKK performance activities and TKK employee appraisal units. All right, moving on to the third one, we have features of the head of agencies. Features for the head of agencies is confirmation of the assessment from the TKK employee performance. Right, the last one we have features for the head of the West Java BNNP. The features for the head of the West Java BNNP is they can viewing the reports of the result of the assessment are in accordance with the rank. Yes. All right. Next topic, we have working method. In making of this publication, they're using the system development life cycle, or as we know as SDLC. So, and here we use SDLC with the waterfall model. What is waterfall model? Waterfall model is, according to Ian Sommerfeld, they have the waterfall model having 5 stages. The first one is requirement definition. The next one we have system and software design. The third one we have implementation and unit testing. And the fourth one is integration and system testing. And the last one, of course, operation and maintenance. For your information, for this waterfall model, the user cannot change the function of the application if the programmer already reached the operation and maintenance stage. Why? Because in this waterfall model, if the programmer already reached the operation and maintenance stage, and the user want to change the function of the application, the programmer have to repeat all from the start, from the requirement definition. And they cannot do that. They can do that, but it will cost a lot of money and a lot of time, of course, for the programmer. And that's why they cannot to repeat all of them. Except the user is rich or having much money, as you can see. Next, we have interface or mockup. The first interface is the main page before login, as you can see there. The second interface or mockup we have is login page. In this login page, we can log in as 4 users. First, for TKK employees, as head of the subdivision, as head of agencies, or the head of the West Java BNNP. Right, next, we have main page after login. Before I explain this, there are actually 4 the main page after login type. In the slide, I use the main page after login for the TKK employees type. The rest is the main page after login for head of subdivision, main page after login of agencies, main page, and the last is main page after login for the head of the West Java BNNP. What make a difference is, as you can see here, the greetings for the TKK employees, welcome TKK employees. For example, the difference for the head of the West Java BNNP, it will be said, welcome head of the West Java BNNP. That's the difference. All right, next we have view and delete performance activities TKK. In this page, the users or the admin can view and delete the TKK employees performance activities. Sorry. Next, we have input of TKK performance activities. In this page, of course, as the name input, admin or users can input or TKK employee performance activities. Next, we have edit TKK performance activities. Like its name, edit. The admin or the users can edit TKK employees performance activities. Next, we have view TKK biodata. In here, the admin or user or anyone can view the biodata of the TKK employees. And next we have edit. Also, of course, like its name, the edit. The users or the admin can edit the TKK employees biodata. Next we have this is add TKK family data. The admin or the user can add the new data for the family from the TKK employees. For example, this TKK employee named John is when he joined the company, he's not married, he's single. And then 2 years later, he's married. That means the user or the admin have to update the TKK family data for John as married. And that's why there is the edit TKK family data. Like I said before, the function is like its name, edit, and the user can edit the family data of the TKK employees. All right, if there's any add and edit, of course there's a view and delete, and that's the last interface or mockup. View and delete TKK family data. Of course, the users can or the admin can view and delete the family data of the TKK employees. All right, last topic. I love this. The conclusion. There are 6 conclusions, I think, in this application. The first one is this application can help the TKK employees for improve performance activities and see the results of performance appraisals. The second one is this application can help head of subdivision to supervise the TKK performance activities. The third one, we have this application can help the head of subdivision to do assessments easily and store data online secure, of course. The fourth one, we have this application can easily help the head of the agencies or head of division to confirm performance appraisal TKK employees. So there's no need to wait for time much longer. Right? The fifth one is this application can help the head of the West Java BNNP to see the report on the results of the assessment in accordance with the rank. And the last conclusion is this application can help the head of the subdivision in making final report for contracted workers or TKK and can see based on the existing pie chart provided. All right, I think that's the end of the topic today. Again, I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation to hear me out, to hear my presentation. All right, I'm Muhammad Akbar Frasanta. I'm sorry if I said something wrong. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.